Hello YouTube, my name is Jokama and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to walk you through how you can change background of a studio picture from the normal white background picture to any color of your choice. I did a self photo shoot and I posted a video recently, and a lot of people were asking how I changed the background from a white background to a maroon background. So today I'm just going to walk you through. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, everyone can do it. So without saying much, let's just jump right into it. And please be sure to subscribe and like the video, and leave a comment. Did I miss out something, or did you learn something? Do you want to learn something? Just leave a comment and we'll talk about that. All right, so let's just open Photoshop and load the picture. So it's pretty simple, anyone and everyone can do it. Okay, which one am I going to use? Okay, let's use this one. It's pretty simple. So I used a Canon 600D with 18 to 55 millimeter lens to take this picture, and I just took it in my bedroom. I just did a little small setup. Just got a white bed sheet. Yeah, I got a white bed sheet. You can get any white cloth, put it in a background. Then I put my camera on the tripod. Well, instead of explaining too much, you can just watch the video. I'll put a link in the description to the video on how I shot this picture. So today I just want to walk you through how I changed the background from this to this. All right, first things first, what you're gonna do is erase the background, or just cut out your image so that we get rid of the background. So yeah, you can use any tool to do that. I prefer using a pen tool. Well, I don't want to walk you through how to cut the background because that's like a tutorial in itself. So I'm just gonna do a little quick one because it's gonna be boring you watching me do all that stuff. So I'm just gonna erase the background.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we have our background cut out. So this is our image. This is the background, and we just removed it from the background. So you notice that I have this part of the hair left out because I really want to get the details of the hair. I don't really want it to look like it was cut, you know what I'm saying? So I'm using Photoshop CC 2014. There's this trick that I like to, I like very much from Photoshop CC 14. I don't know, I haven't used these other versions, but because I've used this for a very long time and I'm really comfortable and I get work done using this version of Photoshop. So to get rid of this background and actually leave the details of the hair, so what I do is make a quick selection of the of the image. Quick selection, you either right click then quick selection, or you just come to the image, press Control and click right inside the image, and you do have this quick selection. So what you do is you go to select and select refine edge. Again, I'm using Photoshop CC 2014. I don't know if this is there in there's another version in advanced versions of Photoshop. Maybe it's called something else, I don't know. So under refine edge, these are preset, these are default settings. I haven't changed anything. So what you do then, just increase the brush and just erase around, just right in the edges of the hair. So what this is going to do is erase the background and leave out those little small details of the hair, all those to my hair sticking out. You have all those remaining. You can do this for any image. Again, I'm using Photoshop CC 2014, so maybe this is called something else in other versions of Photoshop. So I think we got everything. So after you're done, just press OK, and you notice that the selection is just going to go around the hair, right there around the hair. So what you do is you create a copy of this by pressing Ctrl J and just disable this one, and you notice that we have our hair right there. So we can delete this one, I think we don't need this one. Anyway, just create a layer above the background layer, and this is going to be our color. So you just center this image right there. So this is going to be our new background. So what you do is fill this color. You fill this color with any color of your choice. So I'm selecting the color of the shirt that I'm wearing. So just press B and get the color picker tool and just pick the color. You can do any color that you want, but I think it looks better when you go with the color of the of the shirt or something from your subject. So I think that is better. So just fill the background with that color. You can just say color, then you come with the color picker, choose that, press OK, and there we have our background. So you notice that we have a little small white stuff on our image, so just get an eraser tool, and where's the eraser? Erase out. So you can go and change the brush, get this one. I don't know what that is, but anyway, get the one with looks like bench brushes, so that as you are erasing your background, you don't get a very smooth one, so that you really get that authentic hair type. Just erase around.
One eternity later.
Okay, now we've gotten rid of the white stuff. That's perfect. So background, go to camera roll, so we can create a vignette around the background. So just choose effects, all the effects, and just create a dark vignette, balance it up, make sure it's not very sharp, make sure it just looks a little bit natural. I think that's fine. Okay, and we have this little nice vignette. So create a layer on top of the background layer, get a brush using the same color, just get a brighter color to the background. Let's just increase the brush and just paint it anywhere. Oh, make sure the hardness is at 0%. And once you do that, and just transform this, put it in the background, just move it around so that it creates that nice little light effect in the background. I think that's okay. Yeah, it's perfect. And I think we're done with the background, so we just need to edit the main subject. So for editing the picture, I use camera raw filter, so that we can balance up. So increase the saturation a bit, clarity just a little bit, shadows because some parts are really dark, and the exposure just a little bit. That's fine. Well, depends with your image. And image better. Yeah, I think that's okay. Press OK, and just wait for it to load. Yeah, I think we did good. Now you notice that because we use the white background, we have some white stuff on our hair, which looks a little bit unnatural. So what you do is make a selection of your subject, just like I showed you how to make a selection by pressing Control and clicking inside the picture, and create a layer on top of it. Choose black for a brush and make sure the hardness is at 0, and just reduce the brush a little bit. Just brush away from the hair. Make sure you're doing this on the new layer that you just created, not on your main picture, because in case something goes sour, you can just delete this and start over the process. But if you do it on your main subject, there will be no way back. Okay, but don't just do too much. Make sure it looks natural. Use the brush a little bit. I think that's better. So you can see the hair looks darker. This is how the hair was. This is how it is now. So you can just reduce the opacity so that it just gets a natural dark, natural black color like that. And I don't think we need this. We need the bottom half. So just crop this image to somewhere there. And we're done. And that's how we change the background to from a studio picture to now that's how you can change a studio picture image background. That's how I can change it. I'm sure this can be helpful to you, can be helpful to if you're upcoming photographer, or you can even take pictures with your phone and you can do this, and it's pretty easy. Well, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the video, leave your comments, leave your opinions, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.